Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I have no clue why I picked this vlog camera out because it's way too early. I've already snoozed my alarm a couple times. It's like after 7. I need to get ready for work today. So I decided maybe I should do like a get ready with me for work type of video. I've already snoozed the alarm, so I need to actually hurry up and get ready. But I just need to like wash my face this morning, brush my teeth, get dressed, and then out the door. So we're gonna try and do that really quickly. I'm gonna put some makeup on, like a small amount. My energy will get better as I, gradually wake up. I need to be into work by 10 o'clock. So yeah, let's get ready. My brain is a little bit frazzled because that's what happened in the morning when it's way too early. It's just a little bit frazzled. I just want to say from now, like, don't have high expectations for like angling and lighting for this vlog because I'm just gonna sit you down somewhere so you can pretty much just watch me do what I do. I'm gonna listen to some thing on YouTube to kind of like help wake me up a little bit. I'm gonna do some morning affirmation thingy.
In your brain, create a 21-day practice. Peaceful.
So the aim is to leave the house by maybe 8 o'clock, 8:15 latest. No, actually get to the station by 8:15 because the trains are a little bit fucked. Yeah, there are delays on my line, so I need to like, let me check TFL to see what's going on. Yep, so basically majority of the train lines are a bit F this morning. I think because of the weather. Let me see if it's snowing. It's been snowing like crazy. It's been so cold, my gosh. Nah, this is piss take. This is actual piss take. -6. How is it -6? I can barely dress for -1 weather or 0 degrees weather. These like -9. The fuck? Brother, it's probably freezing out there. That is actually devilish. Anyways, I'm doing my skincare. I did my face toner. I try to not use any cleanser in the morning. I just use like water. Just tone and then do the rest of my skincare. Currently it's around 7:25. Once it gets to 7:30, that's my cue to start doing my makeup. Oh, I'm not showing you guys what I'm doing. I'm going in with my niacinamide from The Ordinary, and I'm just gonna put that on. And in the morning, I don't really have that much time for my skincare to kind of like soak in, so I kind of lay them on top of each other and like hope for the best. I'm going to jump straight into doing my makeup, so I'm gonna grab my products and do something really quick and basic. I don't want too much on, so I'm probably gonna do concealer and like just a little bit of foundation. My eyebrows normally take the longest to do, so I'm not gonna do too much with it today because it's cold, the trains are fucked, I'm gonna be late, and we can't be late for today, not today of always. I have all the makeup that I need, I think. I'm gonna go in really quickly. I need to wash my makeup brushes as well. I was meant to do that on the weekend and I completely forgot. So I'm gonna have to do them another day. Primer, nice. I'm like out of contact lenses. I haven't worn them in ages. So anytime I'm doing my eyebrows, I have to grab a mirror that's a little bit closer to me because I can't see shit.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. Put some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from listening. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Not gonna make a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some similar change, got me on board.
For my hair, I literally don't have to do too much. I just take my hair down. And that's my hair. I don't really put that much edge control in my hair since I've done it, because I don't want the edges to get really dirty. I'm not ready to wash it yet. So I've literally just, yeah, bring it down and probably put it at the front or whatever. I think I'm gonna put some oil at the ends. Let me see before. No, I think it's fine. So yeah, that's my hair. I'm gonna be wearing a hat today because you guys see how the weather mat. So I'm gonna wear a hat today just to kind of warm up my head a little bit. So I've actually picked out my outfit already. I like to do this in the night because I don't really wake up on my alarm. So at least if I have my outfit out and ready, it's one less thing to really think about. So that's ready. So today the vibe is casual. They did say wear a Christmas jumper, but I already wore my Christmas jumper on Christmas jumper day and I don't have any more. We are having a Teams Day today. We have like a presentation in the morning, and then we're gonna go to Winter Wonderland for the rest of the day. Just to, like, you know, have lunch, do what you do at Winter Wonderland. I've never actually been before, so it's so funny that I'm actually going with work, because I wanted to take my little sister there, but I ended up going with work. So we're gonna do that today, and I think there's someone's birthday in the evening. They're gonna go for drinks. I'm probably not gonna stay for that. I am just gonna go to this presentation and go to Winter Wonderland and have some fun. So literally, because I joined like in this period, there's so much festivity going on, and I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. I'm kind of gonna have to wrap up a lot today because you guys see all the weather is mad. So we're gonna have to wrap up. I'm going to cream my skin. I actually ran out of cream, so I'm using this one. I remember I used to use this one on itself, but then the oil gets everywhere. So I'm gonna use this one today though. And I also love the way my perfume kind of sticks on that one because it's kind of like a body oil. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:51 a.m.
Okay.
I hope you have a good morning.
Okay, I did also kind of take out some stuff that I need to warm up with. I'm gonna put some tights on. Yeah, I'm gonna put these on. I don't have any thermal. I need to get some thermal. Tights are on. I'm gonna put these jeans on from Pull and Bear. I need to actually take out like a top to wear under this woolly, under this jumper. We're gonna put this vest on before we put on the actual thingy. So pretty much the dress. I need to just put my jumper on, but before I do that, actually, I need to make my bed. I have either two pair of socks that I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna either put on this. It depends on what feels comfortable in my shoes. And then I have like these fluffy ones. I'm hoping that the fluffy ones will work. Let's make the bed quickly. The bed in the morning is literally like not hard to make or not long, because it's just me. I only sleep on one side, so it's more like straightening up and putting the pillows back type of thing. And literally in a couple seconds it's done. I have only 3 minutes left to vlog on this memory card. I'm probably gonna have to delete something or use the other one. I need to cut these out. Done. Please don't mess up my clothes, makeup. Please. You know, let's do this. I'm sorry this doesn't look good. But I can't let my clothes mess up, at least not this early in the morning. Oh. For my shoes, I'm gonna wear some boots. I'm gonna wear these boots. Like I said, I'm gonna try and see if my fuzzy socks work. They're a little bit too snug. little bit tight. Yeah, the fuzzy socks won't work. They're a little bit too tight. Ugh. I think they're gonna be a little bit uncomfortable. Do I look winter already? I think so. I have these. We have to pull for the gloves, guys. We gotta pull for the gloves. So we're wearing this hat. Give me more warmth. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:09 a.m.
Okay, we need to leave out now. And we're gonna have to go out the door now because we don't know what's happening at the train stations. So we gotta go. I am literally sweating. My camera is so lean. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. So this is my outfit. Do you think I'm winter wonderland ready? I think I am. I just need to put on a little bit more perfume. And I did say you're lean, didn't I? Let me see if I can show you my outfit a little bit better. I'm gonna have to go now, guys. So bear with me. Outfit. This is what it's looking like. And I love the green. I'm gonna have to go now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this vlog. I hope it's not too chaotic. But like I always say, I'll make it make sense for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.